In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover discarded players on FIFA 21. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you have discarded a player by accident, there is a way that you can get these players back, and it's been around for a little while now. So to do this, you can do this on the web app on your browser, or you can also do this on the companion app on your mobile phone. So the first thing you want to do once you have signed in to your web app or on your mobile phone, what you can do is you can come to the left hand side bar here and scroll down until you see club. Click on your club, and then what that will do is it will bring you to this page here. And then as you can see, there is a tile here with the option for quick sell recovery. And as you can see, you can recover player items quick sold within the past 7 days. So if you have quick sold someone and it's been over 7 days, you will not be able to recover them. So all you need to do now is click on quick sell recovery. And then as you can see, all the players that I have discarded in the last 7 days will appear here. And if I want to recover this person here, all I need to do is click on recover here, and it will cost me the amount that I did get when I discarded this guy. So it will cost me 632 coins. Click on that, and then as you can see, it's been taken from my balance and he is now back in my club. And this also works for untradeable players. So obviously with untradeable players, you don't get anything when you discard them. So it will not cost you anything to get this player back. So again, if I click on this, the player has now been recovered and they are now back in my club. So let's say I can go ahead and recover discarded players on FIFA 21.